Conservative New Media viewers, this is John D. Villarreal. I just shot this video in the afternoon of October 25th, and I believe this is some of the early bands of Hurricane Sandy, which at this point I believe is a Category 2 hurricane that is hitting South Florida right here. You can see some of the rain. The rain was just absolutely pounding down, and you know the bands will move in and out, so it'll just storm for a bit, then it'll be clear. I'm going to be covering this storm, so be sure to be looking for more and more of my videos coming up on Hurricane Sandy. Thanks for watching. Give me the comments below. Please subscribe above. I'll see you next time.